To this contest, we are entering the second quarter of this matchup between JRU and EAC. It is JRU with a slight lead, 16-15. Martin Javier with Big Bo Belga here in the broadcast. Big Bo, expect natin fast-paced. That's what we got. But we consider this one as a low-scoring affair pa rin.
Low scoring pero fast-paced pa rin yung both teams natin. Yun nga, nag-i-struggle sila on offense kasi may mga tira silang tutukan na nag-miss. There are some passes na nabibitawan. Oh!
And we've had a lot of fouls called on the floor.
Actually.
Diba?
Actually. kanina, dalawang sunod si Lucero. Before dito ang dami kay pagsakan sa mga drive niya. Yeah. Ito yung tinira ni Argente.
Naabot pa? Naabot yung kamay nito ni Sean Argente. That might have bothered that attempt.
But we don't know if he hits some part of the body nito ni Argente, itong si Kinal.
Again, if you guys just tuned in, JRU 2-5, EAC 3-4. So both teams looking to improve and get to that middle mix dito sa Season 100. Dahil yung Arellano, nakasama nila sa baba, medyo nagpaparamdam na.
3-6 na itong Arellano ngayon. And ang ano doon sa Arellano is they are beating the giant yung mga nasa taas.
Stronger teams. You're right.
The first one is San Beda. Now it was St. Benilde. Diba? Right. They have a close game against Mapua. Diba? Those are the teams on top eh. Ewan ko ba dito sa Arellano to?
At ang dami
kaya naman pala manalo eh.
Yung 6 na talo ng Arellano din.
Puro dikit.
Dikitan lahat.
Walang blowout.
Oo. Correct. Okay. So, let's go back courtside. Wait lang, sabi ni Gortiza. Okay, let's go back courtside and let's hear it from Yen Supan. Yan.
Martin and Bo, pag-usapan natin kung bakit mahalaga para sa ating mga players ang season na ito. Mauna na tayo sa EAC para kay King Gortiza at Harvey Pagsanhan. Ito ang kanilang huling taon sa NCAA at sinabi nila na bukod sa pagtaas ng bandera ng EAC, sabi nila na ang ligang ito ay ang pagkakataon nila upang makita kung kaya ba nilang umakyat sa mga professional ranks. Para kay Sean Argente, kwento niya na hindi lahat binibigyan ng pagkakataon na makapaglaro sa liga. Ngunit, nagkaroon siya ng slot sa team at hindi niya ito sasayangin. Para naman kay team captain ng JRU, Joshua Giap, ika niya gem ang bawat laro ng kanyang koponan. Kaya gusto niyang patunayan na kaya makapagsabayan ang Heavy Bombers sa mga malalakas na team. That's all for now. Back to you, gentlemen.
Different perspectives from our players from both sides. Bakit sila naglalaro dito sa NCAA and why they need to prove themselves.
Kasi ito yung kumbaga starting point. For the seniors, for the graduating guys, ito as we can see ditong 3 points ito ni Oftay na galing kay Gortiza. Yun nga yung sinasabi natin kanina na dito ka magsisimula. Kailangan dito tinitingnan na din kasi sila ng mga scouts in the pro. In the pro. So dito pa lang, pag maganda ang pinakita mo, they know if you can survive sa pro or not. So they really need to do whatever it takes for them to have a chance sa professional level.
Para kay Harvey saka King, sabi
kay
niya, di ba, parang showcase nila to, di ba, sa mga scouts. Pero, di ba, on the other side, on the flip side, Argente, Giap, they're just cherishing the opportunity that they have kasi kakaunti yung nabibigyan ng chance dito sa NCAA. Alright, let's go to a quick break. Abante pa rin ang JRU.
Kung sa Season 99 ay may new heroes of the game, nitong unang siglo ay meron ding OG heroes ang NCAA. Hindi lang kasi mga sports legends at mga sikat na celebrities ang naging bunga ng NCAA schools, kundi pati na rin ang mga pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas at dating presidente. Produkto.
Smile cam tayo mula sa fans club ng EAC. Kita mo. Sino yan? May birthday. Okay. Ito naman, students from Jose Rizal University. Diba? Traveled from Not so far away. Diyan lang sa may Shaw Boulevard. Are these grade school students? Yan, di ba? Smile when you see the camera. Huwag kayo magtatago. Oh.
Yung mga nagtatago naman, yung mga hindi nagpaalam sa nanay,
Hindi
sa
nagpaalam.
parents. Eh.
Oo.
Yung mga nagtatakit ng mukha. Ito, they were real proud that they were watching the NCAA.
That's right, yan. Naka-uniform pa.
Oo.
Okay, 19-18. After the timeout play ng JRU, wala. Diab, wala pa rin. Too many misses from point blank for the Heavy Bombers.
Puro totokan eh. Yung mga minimintis ng JRU.
Oh, but panapanaan here is
Masamang
Hurt.
ano nila.
tamaan sa mukha. Tignan natin yung nangyari. Here's
Ito
Diab.
yung mintis ni Giyab. Nailang siya doon kay Cortiza eh.
Ito yung, okay sa taas. Teka.
Kamay ni Giyab ang tumama sa kanya.
Friendly fire.
Oo, hindi si Oftana, si Giyab ang tumama sa kanya. Parang na-slap sa mukha.
And Panapanaan will sort this one out on the bench.
Can you imagine how intense this ball game is?
Oo.
Pati itong mga crowd natin dito sa likod eh, nai-involved na. Di ba? Ganun kainit ang larong ito. And we have a good crowd on a Friday afternoon.
That's right.
And maulan pa to ha, sa
Correct.
lagay na to.
Bumuhos kanina.
Bumuhos, oo.
Para po din sa mga nagda-drive dyan, sana safe kayo on the road. Panapanaan here is getting checked by Coach Jeff. Okay. So De Jesus, in the meantime, will be coming in for Ivan Panapanaan. Hindi pa natin nakikita si Mark Barrera, Vince Sarmiento for the Heavy Bombers who are usually part of the rotation. Good deflection from Argente, although they couldn't complete it. Here's Kylo Chavo on top. Uy,
Muntik na yun.
Oftana.
Tingnan mo kung paano dumipensa itong JRU. Talagang nasa harap eh, hard nose eh. Pero sabi ni Corteza, kahit gaano kayo katindi dumipensa, titirahan ko kayo.
And EAC takes back the lead. Teka, sabi na EAC, last touchdown ng JRU. Look at the handoff here. Corteza, after the sticky defense, nakahanap siya ng puwang doon.
Yun ang problema mo. If you were a defender of Corteza, you can go under on him. It's always go over for you to have a chance of hindi man blocking his shot.
Yeah.
At least tumira si Corteza, nandun ka pa rin.
Tignan natin to, Big Boy. Yeah.
But they have a case. On the dribble, Corteza tapped it, pero last touch itong hindi dito makikita. Hindi makikita dito. Ayun na.
Malinaw.
Inilipat.
So EAC will have it. The Generals.
On the dribble, na-deflect ni Corteza, pero nahawakan palas ni Pangilinan.
So back ang bola sa EAC. They have a chance to extend this lead. Biggest was 5-2 for the Generals. Ochavo, Corteza. Wala. Bagay. Put back for Paolo Bagay.
Ito rin yung isa sa mga player na magaling gumamit ng katawan.
Yeah.
Hindi man siya ganun taas tumalon, kalakas dun sa pero yung katawan niya, alam niya kung saan niya ilalagay.
He provides good energy off the bench. Netong EAC, that's his second basket so far. Giab against the double. Ipinilit. Pero pumasok para kay Joshua Giab.
They keep on running that post-up play for Giab and they're waiting for him to operate.
Ochavo throws it away. Bernardo. Giab. Too strong with the left.
Good challenge para dito kay Pagsanghan. Ito si Corteza.
Unable to finish. Raimundo. Ochavo. Scramble. And we have a foul in that sequence.
That's how intense this ball is. Walang gusto bumitaw.
Nabitawan ni Raimundo Ochavo with the retrieval. Dribbled that one off his foot, pero pinura siya. Neto ni De Jesus.
Can you imagine De Jesus binangga si Ochavo? Eh talagang purado yan dyan.
Lakit na yan ni De
Oo,
Jesus eh.
diba?
Isa sa mga big men nila yan eh.
Oo.
Si Ochavo 5'5", nakatayo lang doon. Okay. So tuloy tayo.
Actually, yung kanina, ito yung atake ni Gortiza. Good find by Ochavo, kaya lang ganda ng challenge ng JRU doon. Oo.
Pina-adjust nila seeking,
Oo.
Si Coach
They were
Gerson.
asking for a foul.
Yeah.
Sa ulo daw.
Side of the head. Pero hindi na natawagan. Shot clock is winding down. Kyle gets the whistle. I was about to say he was doing a little bit too much with the basketball, pero
Oo.
nakakuha siya ng foul.
Ang tagal ng bola sa kanya. Ang tagal ng bola.
Oo,
It is a foul.
Yeah.
It is a foul.
Yeah. Tinapitan siya nito ni MJ Raimundo.
Nakakross na yung kamay niya dun sa forearm nito ni Ochavo.
Di lang intense. Physical din yung laban natin.
Oo, as
Diba?
expected against JRU.
Yeah.
If you play JRU, it's gonna be a physical, high-intensity physical ball game. Every time. And
Yeah.
this is the first time na kinover ko JRU ngayong season 100.
Oh, okay.
Oo, ngayon ko lang na-cover itong JRU. Pero
Di-
it's as expected from the previous season that they were playing. You know
Bibinyagan mo pala ng overtime yung JRU eh.
Isa lang okay na tayo.
Oh,
doon.
isa.
Isa lang. And it's not gonna be, kasi nga, close ball game.
Close ball. Yeah.
Second quarter na tayo, 23-21 lang ang score natin.
It's been a back and forth battle so far. Gortiza, Luciano against the trees. Oh, Luciano somehow able to put it in.
Kung kanina nagawa ni Giyab yung tira niya, ito si Luciano naman.
And EAC with their biggest lead so far. That's just 4 points, but they'll take it. Bernardo connects. Down the hatch for Renz Bernardo.
Ang ganda nung find ni Giyab doon. Nakita niya si Bernardo, libre. Wala na patumpik-tumpik pa.
They might have found a gem here in Renz Bernardo. Talking about JRU, this is his first. Is it his first? Hindi. Pangatlong game lang pala nito ni Bernardo.
Not too much playing time para dito kay Bernardo. Pero yun nga, kailangan mong suklihan yung playing time na ipinibigay sa iyo ng mga coaches for you to have a chance in the next game.
Yeah.
Diba?
And he's responding. He's earning these minutes. Luciano, 4 minutes having gone by in the second. Gortiza off the iron.
Ganda ng box out ni Pangilinan kay Pagsanghan doon. Eto, poste na naman sila kay Giyab.
De Jesus, naghahanap ng kakampi. Bernardo drives, saw the crease, and he gets the whistle.
Diba? Limited minutes for him, limited playing time for him. Pag pinasok mo, positive outcomes para dito kay Bernardo.
Yeah.
Kanina, 3 points. Ngayon naman, atake from the elbow, going to the baseline. Nakakuha siya ng foul doon.
And that's what they need here, some offense off the bench. Pangilinan will be replaced by Daryl Garcia, who is playing only his second game here in the NCAA. Unang laban niya yung against Mapua, and he produced. Ito mo naman to si Daryl Bernardo. 3 steals against the Cardinals. But this is something they need to address here.
Both teams, actually.
Both teams,
Both
yeah.
teams are struggling in the free throw lines.
JRU right now, just 5 out of 9 from the line. 1 out of 2. Tabla tayo dito. Ball pressure being applied at the backcourt by the Heavy Bombers. Kylo Chavo tasked to bring this one across. And he does it. Luciano, rhythm 3.
Wala.
Off to the right. Uy, banggaan. Giyab. De Jesus sends it out. All day. He makes them pay. Renz Bernardo. Now with 8 points off the bench.
Good find para dito kay De Jesus. Dun sa corner kay Bernardo.
Ochavo misfires. JRU back in the front. This is now a 7-0 spurt for JRU. Dadagdagan nila outlet. Garcia, napakagat. Garcia puts it up and in.
Ganda ng shot fake ni Garcia doon. Nakita niyang aabutin siya ni Gurtiza. Shot fake. Tumalon si Gurtiza. Basket.
And now JRU establishes their biggest lead so far. 30-25.
Biggest
Kanina.
lead at 5.
Oo. Kanina kakasabi ko lang, biggest lead ng EAC ngayon. Napikit
Ayun
lang
naman.
tayo. Ito, JC Luciano.
Pinutol agad ni Luciano doon. Kanina tumira siya ng 3. Medyo offline. Ngayon, sinamantala niya doon. He has a mismatch. Inatake niya dahan-dahan lang.
Jello Loristo, starting center ng EAC. Balik na sa ating laban. Only a brief moment for Brian Angeles as Doromal comes in as well. Ito na si MJ Raimundo.
Ito ang kailangan na mag-get going. Itong si Doromal.
Yeah. We're still waiting for his breakout game.
Alam mo yung resurgence niya on his offense. Kasi when he's with Arellano.
Yeah. Ano to? Number 2 scorer ng liga as Bernardo. Airmails that attempt. He was 16 points per game in his last year with Arellano.
Oo, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, medyo below 10 siya sa
Below
ating season. And patapos na ang patapos na ang first round of elimination natin.
Yeah.
Oo.
Hinihintay natin. You know, if he finds his groove, ay hihirapan.
Tuloy-tuloy.
Oo, matalo itong
Tuloy-tuloy
EAC.
ito.
Di ba?
Tuloy-tuloy ito.
They just have so much firepower if that happens. Kasi may Gurtiza ka na, may Doromal ka pa.
May pagsangan
ka
ka pa.
pa.
May Oftana ka pa.
Oh, yun.
Di ba? Ano isa pa sa hinahanap ko, ito nga si Luciano.
Yeah.
Medyo, alam yun, not his usual numbers from the previous one.
Yeah. Ito si Axel Doromal.
Pero yung tiwala ni Coach Gerson sa kanilang dalawa. Kasi they're both veterans. So, mahahanap niya. Ang isip ni Coach Gerson, sige, bigyan natin ng chance pa.
Oh, ito. Ooh! Loristo makes the catch. Lost it to Giab. Raimundo! No!
Dalawa na naman sila. Kanina pa.
Forward pass. Doromal makes it from the other side.
Kakasabi lang natin, we were looking for Doromal. Ito, fast break para kay Axel Doromal.
Unang puntos sa laban natin para dito kay Axel Doromal.
Sa sobrang ng JRU going for the offensive rebound, dalawa pa sila nag-aagawan.
Correct.
Kanina, it's Giab and De Jesus. In the previous one, dalawa din sila, nabitawan yung bola.
And EAC gets a stop. That ball is poked out of bounds by Pangilinan. So when we return, it's going to be EAC basketball. They trail it by a point.
Alam niyo ba na meron ding Kapuso Stars ang nag-aral sa NCAA schools? Ilan sa mga ito ay sina Yasser Marta na naging team B ng San Sebastian bago lumipat sa LPU. Si Anthony Rosaldo naman ay galing sa Arellano at si Rocco Nasino na naging Mr. Mapua pa. Mga perpetualites naman sina Kailin Alcantara at Shaira Diaz, habang tubong St. Benilde sina El Villanueva,
Balik sa ating laban. It's been a game of runs so far. JRU answered earlier with a 9-0 attack right behind the production of Bernardo and this guy Daryl Garcia, but EAC quickly countered. To put out the fires, the lefty layup by JC Luciano, and then the touchdown by Axel Doromal to make it a 1-point game. Ito sa ating first half. 3 minutes remaining.
Kanina, parang alam yun, lalayo na itong JRU pero na-stop agad eh.
Oo, na-stop.
After that post-up by Luciano, they make a stop. Pass break kay Doromal. They have the ball again.
Walang lumalayo ng husto.
Wala.
Axel. 9 points in the game against LPU. Luciano.
Nabitawan.
Gurtiza. Doromal. Step back 3.
Wala.
Off to the right. And the rebound is secured by JRU.
Naandun yung yung tira eh.
Yeah.
Hindi lang talaga nahuhulog para dito kay Axel Doromal.
Pangilinan sa Montanes in the game for the first time. Raimundo off the screen. Sa Montanes. Oh,
Ganda
good
nung pasa.
intention. Yeah.
Oo, nakalusot. Oo.
Benitez taking care of business.
Oo, nakalusot. Nandun may depensa doon. Nandun si Doromal.
Meron.
Nakatalikod lang talaga si Doromal.
Yeah.
Dinampot sa likod.
Ooh, Gortiza backs it home. Riding off the back neto ni JC Luciano.
Oo, bang silang dalawa eh. Hindi mo pwedeng tawagan ng foul kasi silang dalawa yung nagbanggaan eh.
MJ now, or Giab here. Head on a swivel, gets it to Benitez, who just scored earlier off a seal.
Ito,
They get it
poste
to
na naman
Giab.
kay Giab.
One-legged
Ganda ng
fadeaway,
fadeaway.
soft touch for Joshua Giab.
Alam niyang ika-crowd siya eh. Kasi he's been making good things doon sa post na yun eh. Nung nakita niya may somebody will double, pumade away eh.
Simpleng-simple ang laro para kay Joshua Giab and Gortiza. Mas simple sa kanya. He draws another foul. At penalty na itong JRU. Big Bo, ito yun.
Ito yung hanap po. Naandun yung kamay ni Doromal.
Yeah.
Ito naman yung atake ni Gortiza.
Ayun,
Nagbanggaan sila ni Luciano. Buti na lang. Nahanap niya yung boards. Ito yung poste ngayon ni...
Ayun, Not
Parang
your
Luigi,
usual,
not
not your
the usual
usual
shot.
one-legged fadeaway. Kasi usually, yung nasa harap niya, di ba? Naiiwan. Ito, awkward pa.
Awkward na one-legged eh. Pero he made it, so it's okay.
Brian Angeles is back in the contest. He replaces Harvey Pagsanhan. King Gortiza missing the first. EAC now, 4 out of 7 from the free throw line. 8 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists. And Gortiza splits his charities. A minute and 21 left. Dito mga sa ating first half. We hope you guys are enjoying the action via Heart of Asia. De Leon. Pangilinan. Ito na si Benitez. Argente.
Ganda na
feed.
naman yung pasa.
De Leon with another miss from point blank. Doromal falls down.
Nadulas.
Sa Montanes.
Malakas.
Pangilinan. Wala pa rin.
Tatlo na naman sila sa offensive rebound doon.
Wala pa rin.
Lumabas!
Wow. These are sorry misses for JRU.
3 tries for them.
Gortiza lost it. Pangilinan is on the move.
Good foul para dito kay wala pa sila sa penalty.
Ito may
Ito
panghihinayang na to, Big Bo.
Ang lakas eh. Tatlong naka-yellow na naman. Agawan na naman. Di ba?
Masok. Nakakapanghinayang dito. A lot of uncontested misses from underneath.
Kaya din low ball game tayo.
Yeah.
Low scoring ball game din tayo.
O balik na sa laban natin ang difference maker for Coach Louie so far, itong si Renz Bernardo. Argente from 15 hits the back iron that time.
Kanina pa nila hinahanap itong si Argente doon.
Yeah.
Hindi lang talaga makabutas din.
Tira pa itong si Sean. Here's the trap. Here's the pressure. Doromal at the half court. Surveys. Ball is deflected. Ball is stopped. It ends up with Benitez who goes all the way.
Kita mo naman yung depensa ng JRU doon. Talagang they were hounding Doromal on that one. Tapos, traveling.
Angeles is called for steps.
Kaya ang bilis din ng Tingnan mo yung depensa ni Bernardo doon. Natapik ni Luciano pero napunta dito.
Grabe yung ball pressure ng JRU.
Oo, talagang hinahound nila.
Yeah.
Walang, kumbaga, posible mong tawagan ng ball. Sa sobrang dikit nila eh. Pero yun nga, until the referee calls a foul,
Tuloy lang.
pwede mo, gawin mo kung anong gusto mo.
Correct. Bernardo for the final shot. Garcia too
Malakas.
strong. And that's how we will end the action here in the first half. JRU with a counter surge. 6 quick points to end the second quarter for the Heavy Bombers to pull ahead by 4. Pagbalik po natin, we'll tell you the story of the first half by the numbers through our highlights and performances from both our cheerleading squads. This is NCAA Season 100 on Heart of Asia.